Welcome to We Learn Chinese. In this lesson, we are going to learn something very important, numbers in Chinese from 1 to 10. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to count from 1 to 10 in Chinese. Let's begin our lesson. 1.
一
ache. 2.
二
door. 3.
三
3. 4.
四
jar. 5.
五
punch. 6.
六
chair. 7.
七
sat. 8.
八
at. 9.
九
no. 10.
十
thus. Now let's count from 1 to 10. 1.
一
2.
二
3.
三
4.
四
5.
五
6.
六
7.
七
8.
八
9.
九
10.
十
That's it.